Guy Fawkes.
Hey Guy Fawkes, I want to learn how to draw Godzilla.
Godzilla? Sure, why not? Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. Whoa! Sorry about that. Remember to stay focused. Then add 2 dots for Godzilla's pupils. Then a curvy line coming from his left eye, going left and down. This will be his snout. Next, 2 teardrop shapes for his nostrils. And then a crookedy line going right back toward his eyes. This is his upper lip. Then a line straight down. And then another crookedy line, this time to the left. Can you see his mouth now? Oh boy, let's add lots of V-shapes for his teeth. I wonder if Godzilla has a dentist. When you've got enough teeth, draw a short line for his chin. We'll leave that and come back up here to his eye. Let's draw a curvy line that comes out to the right and then bends down. Then let's draw a giant curvy lumpy V shape to make his back and the top of his tail. He needs an arm, so let's go back here and draw a line like this, and then a W with 3 humps for his claw. Now you can draw his chest and tummy behind that arm. And remember, with Godzilla, all your lines can be bumpy and wonky. He is a monster after all. Now his other arm, a line to the left, then the W with 3 bumps, and then a curvy line going back into his chest. Now for his legs. A giant C shape for his haunch, then a short line down for his ankle, then a line to the left for the top of his foot, and then another W, and then a line to the right, then a little curve up and over. Then connect his tail down to his leg, like this. Okay, looking good. Now we need to draw his other leg, and his haunch curves down just like the other one. Then a short line for his ankle, then a line to the left, a claw made from a W with 3 bumps, and finally a line to connect it back to the other foot. Now we need to connect the tummy to the leg. Godzilla is a fire-breathing monster, so I will add some flames, which is a curvy shape with sharp ends. He's starting to look very scary. And finally, I will add some imaginary buildings by drawing mostly rectangles and squares with a few flames behind them. And there's Godzilla. Oh my, what a monster! Happy drawing!